Bam. Here we go. Once again, guys, it's EDC Matt, Everyday Carry. Matt Brander here. Just another quick little unboxing video. Just to show you guys what we got here. Okay, guys, it's just a quick unboxing here. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special. It's one of those everyday carry units every gentleman needs to have. This one is just a standard skeletonized watch. Able to kind of see right through it. It's got some really neat features to it, which we'll review in a review. I just want to do the unboxing of it. Cheers, guys. Have a great day. We will see you next time.